Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside an Office application because this is the only reliable way to read Microsoft 365 version details. Open Word or Excel now and sign in if prompted. Once the app is open, go directly to the File menu. This is where product and account metadata live. Make sure you use the same account tied to your subscription so the display details match your license. Don't switch apps yet. Keep the first app open to follow the next steps precisely. Once in File, choose Account to surface the product and update controls. You'll see a section labeled Product Information and an About button or Office Updates link. Click About App to open a dialog that displays exact version, build, and channel. This tells you whether you're on monthly enterprise channel, semi-annual, or another release cadence. Understanding the channel explains why features differ. Write down the three-part string, version, build number, and update channel for any support or compliance needs. Finally, confirm the version against your subscription or IT documentation so you know whether updates are expected. If the build is older than your policy requires, click Office Updates and choose Check for Updates. This forces the installer to refresh. If the About dialog shows limited details or the app won't update, run a quick Office repair from Windows Settings Apps Microsoft 365 Modify, or ask IT to verify tenant-level policies. Remember, update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.